Chapter 22, Bali Maharaj surrenders his life. Verse 14 describes how Bali was bound by the ropes of Varuna. Then he hung his head. Hung his head down. And then why did he hang his head down? Because at that time his grandfather came to that assembly, Prahlad Maharaj. The verse 14 says that because he could not offer respect, befitting respect to Prahlad, he simply bent his head down, his eyes being inundated with tears, and his face lowered in shame. Bali actually felt that he was an offender to Vamanadev. He was ashamed and hung his head. So Bali Maharaj says he bowed his head, not really to show respect, but he bowed his head because of shame for the offense. He was ashamed in front of his grandfather that he made such an offense of not being able to please the Lord. This feeling of shame is very important. Sometimes devotees offend one another, or we may offend God. If we realize that, we should feel ashamed of our behavior and very repentive and sorrowful. Immediately rectify that situation.